What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Basically today what I did, we got some stuff going on for the MR2 and I'm going to show y'all today. What I did was I ended up getting the wiring harness. Buddy did it for me. It came out super clean actually. He got two MR2s that he case swapped. He actually got 5 of them in his yard, 2 of them case swapped, the other 3 yada yada yada. And you ain't going to tell his business like that, but man, fucking harness came out dope. I'm going to show y'all here in a second. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just lace it up in the car, lay it down where it needs to go. And I won't record anything doing that shit. It's kind of boring recording, doing it. I'll just show y'all the finished product and shit. So here we go. So right here, what we got is the engine harness. Basically, it's a little block with all the fuses. It's going to connect into the Honda ECU. This right here runs into the MR2. This goes back into the back part. That's for all the lights and shit. The big ass fuse box that was in there is gone. That was over here. I'll show y'all. Right over here, right over in this corner right here, that shit is gone. So I'm happy that that's gone. So I'm gonna just hook the wire up right quick, and then I'll be back with y'all in a second to show you how it looks. All right, quick little update. I ran the wire back onto here. You can see it. Probably you can see it over there. Put the little fuse block back in, hooked all those back up, all that ran onto here, and then over here you can see this little block right there, and then you got the ECU that plugs into that right there. It's not really plugged in, and then now I have all the they got like the grounds and stuff in there, and then basically that's how you have your engine harness. That part right there, that wire right here runs in there and plugs into the ECU off the engine, and we got that. All this goes to the light and stuff on the trunk. Man, we cracking, man. We're almost ready to fire this thing up. Throttle body, fuel pump injectors. Throttle body, fuel pump and injectors. And I can basically fire this bitch up. Oh, fuel rail. But we there. Thanks for coming back, checking out the page. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell somebody. You know, really appreciate y'all. Peace.